Hey, how's everybody doing today? I am back over the same exact spot where I caught that 40-pound cobia that you might have saw in the previous episode. And I got more jigs, got them delivered from China. Here's what they look like. So it's just the weight and a little squid attached with two hooks that are coming out of the squid. So this was really effective last time. I got more, and I actually got a few other jigs. I got some slow pitch jigs. I don't have a slow pitch rod, but I'm gonna try them here as well. We'll see if we have to switch to anything, because last time, like I said, this was deadly. So I'm excited to try this out. The sea conditions right now, and you might be looking at me thinking, why is he so wet? Well, I took a beating coming out here. I mean, it's rough. It's like, it's confused seas. It's blowing probably about 10-15 knots, but the confused seas really kind of get you, and when it's blowing, all the sea spray comes on top of you. And another bad thing is there's a lot of seaweed scattered, and I'm pretty sure I sucked something up in the pump of the jet ski. It's not responding really well anymore. So that always sucks. When that happens, you have two choices. You could either dive and try to get rid of whatever's stuck in the pump, or you can limp back to shore. And I mean, when I say limp, I mean really limp. It's like 1 or 2 miles per hour, and you're not moving anywhere. And then if it's wavy, if there's waves on the shore, you're getting beat up out there too. So I definitely feel like there's something in the prop. It's not too bad, but you could definitely feel it. So I don't know, hopefully it will come loose. It never usually does, but first things first, I'm on the spot. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this down, and hopefully something produces. Here we go. All right, got something really big. I hope it's not a turtle or a stingray, because it's barely moving. I mean, I can't even lift this thing up. I'm just following it, kinda. Really rough out too, to make it worse. Oh man. And to make everything else worse, the pump is full of water, full of seaweed, the jet ski. Oh, come on. I mean, it's not thrashing at all. Or maybe the bottom, but I mean, I don't think so. Holy crap. Oh, there it comes. I think it's starting to come up. What the heck are you? Oh.
think I'm just sucking in more weeds in my prop. I'm not paying attention to where I'm going. Oh, come on, stop. Oh, look at that. I got a little bit. I got a little bit. Oh, I got a little bit. Oh, I turned it. Oh, what happened? Oh my God, what happened? Oh, oh, what? Oh man. Well, everything is still here. All the parts are still here. Line is not chafed. Doesn't seem like it is, no. Well, okay, that was 12 minutes of back-breaking work. All right, guys, well, it is now getting late, and my pump, the jet pump, is full of seaweed. I can't, I'm limping back to the beach. There's not much I can do. I'm definitely not diving over here to free it because I've seen what's down there, and I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna dive even if it's for a minute or two. So, just limping back to shore. It's gonna take a while. Kind of a bummer of a day, but it is what it is. It's a good thing I got out here though. Haven't been out for a little bit, so see you guys later. Better luck next time.